Welcome to a quick guide on staying in the loop with your Pinterest saves. If you're an avid pinner, you know how exciting it is when someone mentions you in a saved pin. Today, we're going to walk through the updated steps on how to turn on in-app mention notifications for those saved pins, ensuring you never miss a shout-out. Let's get started. First things first, grab your phone and open the Pinterest app. Once you're in, we need to head over to your profile. To do this, tap on your profile picture. You'll find it located at the top of your screen. This takes you straight to your personal Pinterest hub. Now that you're on your profile, look for the notifications option. Tapping this will lead you to your notification settings, where you can customize what updates you receive from Pinterest. Okay, almost there. Under the Pins You Saved section, you'll see Mentions. Tap on it. This is where the magic happens. Here, you can control how Pinterest alerts you when someone mentions you in relation to your saved pins. Finally, under How do you want to be notified, you'll find a toggle for the in-app option. Simply toggle this switch to the on position. When it's on, you'll receive notifications right within the Pinterest app whenever someone mentions you in a pin you've saved. This is super handy for staying connected and engaged with the content you love and the people you follow. And that's it. You've successfully turned on in-app mention notifications for your saved pins on Pinterest. Now, you'll be promptly notified within the app whenever someone mentions you, making it easier to keep up with relevant discussions and interactions. Enabling these notifications ensures you won't miss out on any collaborations, comments, or interesting finds related to your saved pins. It's a fantastic way to stay engaged with the Pinterest community and see how others are interacting with the content you've curated. So go ahead, give it a try, and enjoy a more connected Pinterest experience. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning!